Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we are going to be canceling the current deposits for 2018 into the M1 Finance Roth IRA. We are going to schedule a one-time deposit here. In 2018, it's going to completely max out the Roth IRA, and we're going to go over why I'm exactly canceling the current deposit and why I'm doing a set amount. So if you are brand new to the channel or are a recurring viewer who have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I highly appreciate it. You guys are what make the channel here. And of course, if you do have a comment, question, whether it's over personal finance, stock market, real estate, or the video, let me know in the comment section below. I always read and reply to all your guys' comments. And of course, if the video does help you or you do enjoy it, of course, give that the thumbs up button below, and let's go ahead and get into it. So why am I going to cancel my next Monday contribution? So here, every Monday, we have a scheduled deposit of $330. Well, on the 31st, that would be the very last day of December 2018. But as I move down here, our contribution limit currently for 2017 and 2018 is $11,000. Well, if you do the math here, 11,000 minus $10,999.67, that is only 33 cents that we can contribute towards the limit for the IRA for 2018. So we're only 33 cents away from maxing out the Roth IRA. And if you actually over deposit into the IRA or Roth IRA, you have to remove the funds that you've deposited that over, that put you over the contribution limit. Plus, you have to also sell the stocks and positions that you may have purchased, and then you have to take those capital losses or pay gains on those capital taxes, and you may get hit with penalties because, I don't believe you actually get hit with penalties there, but I'm not 100% certain on that. The main thing here is we want to make sure that we're not over contributing towards these IRA set limits of $5,500 in 2018. In 2019, it goes up to $6,000. So we're going to be making a bit of a change here in the next few weeks. So the very first thing I want to do here is I want to cancel the next deposit for the 31st of December 2018, because that's going to put me quite a bit over the limit there, $5,500. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Okay, we have canceled. We have no more scheduled deposits coming up. And we need to deposit a one-time amount of 33 cents. Now we're going to go ahead and say deposit, put in 33 cents. Contribution currently, we can only make it towards 2018, but next Tuesday on the 1st of January 2018, we will be able to contribute towards 2018 and 2019. You have until April or when you file your taxes here to be able to contribute towards the past year. So April 2019, you could still be contributing up to $5,500 towards your 2018 contribution limit. And then after April, you would just need to be contributing towards 2019 if you, haven't maxed that one out yet. So here we're going to go ahead and not set a schedule, because I'm going to be setting a schedule here on the 1st of January. We'll make a separate video for that. So I am going to go ahead and put in my 33 cents there, hit continue, and confirm. So I'm going to go ahead and deposit 33 cents into this account, completely maxing out the IRA contribution limit for 2018 and the addition there of $5,500 towards 2017. And that is basically all we're going to be doing here. We can see that it is now pending. It's a one-time amount of 33 cents. Now, because I don't have $10 sitting in cash, this will not trigger a buy. What's going to happen is it's going to just go in here 33 cents. It's going to be what, 33 and 4 cents is 37 cents. So 37 cents will sort of sit here until either I've been paid out $10 worth of dividends, or on the 1st of January, we're going to be setting up our first auto deposit to go in here on the 3rd of January. Whoop, that is December. On the 7th of January will be our first deposit towards 2019, and then all we're going to be doing here is probably splitting up the remaining weeks for 2019. Divide that 6,000 by how many weeks are remaining, and then I'll just be doing a weekly deposit there. or I may split it up into a daily deposit. I'm not 100% sure. I really like being able to target my specific stocks here when I'm going in and buying specific stocks. So that is basically all I wanted to cover in today's video, is maxing out the Roth IRA for 2018 and doing a one-time deposit. And that is it for today's video. So if you guys did enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button below. Leave me a comment if you have a comment over anything that was covered in the video, or if you just have a question in general over personal finance, real estate, stock market, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are a brand new viewer or you're a recurring viewer, hit that subscribe button below. I highly appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.